Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. S.K. Sinha, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the SAC, submitted that the purchasing dealers were registered dealers under the Local Act Stop. They were also registered dealers under the said 1956 Act Stop. According to learned counsel, the dealers had purchased the good locally from the SAC in Delhi on the strength of their registration certificates by issuing prescribed declarations under the local act and therefore the said purchases were local purchases in the hands of said dealers. Stop. According to learned counsel, after purchasing the goods in Delhi and getting delivery at the factory of the appellant, the purchasing dealers had stored the goods in their godowns in Delhi. Stop. According to learned counsel, the purchasing dealers were selling the goods purchased for the appellants either by making local sales in Delhi or by making interstate sales to their own buyers outside Delhi or by making branches transfers to their own branches outside Delhi. Stop. Parachain. Learned counsel next contended that a local sale cannot be deemed to take place in the course of interstate trade or commerce simply because the buyer has been assigned a territory. Stop. According to learned counsel, section 3A of 1956 Act creators a deeming fiction. Stop. It provided that a sale or purchase shall be deemed to take place in the course of interstate trade, commerce, if the sale purchase occasion movement of goods from one state to another. Thus, according to learned counsel, in order to covered by section 3 (a), the sale in question itself must occasion movement of goods from one state to another. Stop. According to learned counsel, section 3 (a) is not attracted merely because purchasing dealers has been assigned a territory outside the local area. According to learned counsel, assignment of territory is different from a sale occasioned movement of goods. Stop. Mere assignment of territory by itself, according to learned counsel, does not mean that the sale by the SAC to the dealer occasioned the movement of goods to the assigned territories. Stop. Parachange. According to learned counsel, the goods in question were sold locally in Delhi by the appellant and the appellant was not concerned with subsequent sale. Stop. The purchasing dealer had no obligation to occasion the movement of goods to the assigned territories pursuant to or as an incident to the appellant's sale to them. Stop. The appellant had sold the goods locally to the purchasing dealers who were free to sell the goods to their own buyers in the assigned territories in either of the three ways, mentioned above. Stop. There was no bar or restriction on the purchasing dealers on selling the goods in any of the three modes, mentioned above. Stop. Learned counsel further submitted that under clause 3 of the said agreement, it was made clear that in the event of the purchasing dealers desiring the SAC to transport the goods to their assigned territories outside Delhi, they would pay to freight charges and also be liable to for central sales tax. Stop. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.